Solving systems of equations by graphing. When we solve a system of equations, we are finding the point of intersection of the two lines. That is the point that is contained on both lines, and it is the solution to the system. We are going to start by using one equation at a time and graph it. I'm going to start with y equals x minus 2. Create an xy table and pick values for x such as 0, 1, and 2. And plug those values for x into the equation y equals x minus 2 and solve for y. So if y equals 0 minus x, if x is 0, we have y equals negative 2. That is one set of coordinates for a point, and we can plot that point, 0, negative 2. Now let's replace x with 1. If x is 1, then y equals 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. There is another set of coordinates. We can plot that point, 1, negative 1. Now let's replace x with 2. If x is 2, y equals 2 minus 2, which is 0. And then we have another set of coordinates. We can plot that point, 2, 0. Connect the dots with a line, and we have just graphed the equation y equals x minus 2. Now let's graph the second line. Y equals negative 2x plus 7. Again, we pick values for x, such as 0, 1, and 2, and we replace them in the equation for x and solve for y. If x equals 0, y equals negative 2 times 0 plus 7, which is 7. We have a set of coordinates for the second line with 0, 7, and we can plot that point, 0, 7. Now let's replace x with 1 and solve for y. If x is 1, y equals negative 2 times 1 plus 7. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, plus 7 is 5. There is another set of coordinates we can plot. X is 1, y is 5. Now let's replace x with 2. If x is 2, y equals negative 2 times 2 plus 7. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, plus 7 equals 3. So we now have another set of coordinates for a point, 2, 3. Now we draw a straight line connecting the points we just plotted. The point of intersection is the solution to the system. It is this point right here. So we find the coordinates of that point. X is 3. X is 3. And y is 1. The solution to the system is the set of coordinates 3, 1. So when you're solving for a system of equations, the solution to the system is the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines.